and a little bit of salt, and whoops, wow. There's never been an episode without an accident for me. Hi, I'm Yuna. Welcome to Your Favorite Recipe. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Bombay Flatbread. Oops, I almost knocked it over. I just picked up this amazing MasterChef, the ultimate cookbook, and there are so many great recipes in here, and one really stuck out to me, this Bombay Flatbread, because I love pizza. I mean, who doesn't? I could have pizza almost every single day along with my Korean food. And this one is going to be pretty simple. Like, you don't even need a pan other than the baking sheet. That's about it. You're looking at all the ingredients here, and right out of the gate, I'm gonna go ahead and make the cilantro cream. So we're gonna need half cup of heavy cream, cilantro about a quarter cup, half of that. So about that much. And it's not mentioned here, but I think it's gonna make it taste even better. 1 small garlic clove, and a little bit of salt. Time to blend. Wow, it is cream. So, do you guys remember my episode of Can She Make 4 course under 30 minutes? If you haven't watched this, I'll include it at the end of this video. Pizza's fun. You can't really mess it up. The recipe tells you how to make this flatbread from scratch, purpose flour and salt and all that, but I decided to go with my store-bought pizza dough because at the end of the day, we are making pizza. And once I have that done, all right, time to stretch that out with my palm. So I'm gonna be generous with my oil this time. So when you buy store-bought pizza dough, it's in the fridge. Make sure that you leave it out for at least a couple hours before stretching it so that the gluten had enough time to relax and come to the room temperature. Okay, we got our flatbread ready. Now, moving on to our fun part, seasoning it. All right, the first thing first, we have our 4th teaspoon of turmeric. Oops, I got another 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Did I just call that 4th teaspoon? You know what I meant. And curry powder, which we're gonna need about the same amount. That's about a 1/4 teaspoon. So mix in. All right, and then of course a little bit of salt. Actually, I'm gonna put the salt on top of my dough. And what I need to do is just gently spread the mix-in seasoning all over the dough. Ah, so excited. All right, so all I need to do is, this is a fun part. Literally, oh, carefully here as well. It looks nice. And last thing is going to be this, our heavy cream, just throughout the pizza. And then we're not going to put fresh cilantro on top because it'll just burn it. And I already preheated the oven to 500, and here we go. So we're going to bake this for 8 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's time for me to get it out. Ooh, yes. Okay, my eggs slide it over. That's fine. It does look like a face. So now all I have to do is just top it off with some fresh cilantro. Oh, and I did not forget about my extra powder mix, spice mix. Today, I made this Bombay Flatbread. One of my best friends is from Mumbai. Her name is Neha. Neha, I know that you're watching this, and when you see this, I hope that you make this following my recipe. How funny is that? I got extra cream here too, so I can even put that on top. It's got really nice color to it. So I made this beautiful Bombay Flatbread, and it's funny, as I was opening up this book, it says, do you have what it takes to be a master chef? Well, I'm comparing my work to this photo, and it's pretty darn close. It's kind of nice. It's like really easy to make and easy to follow through, so I probably couldn't have failed, if anything. So the answer is yes, I think I have what it takes to be a master chef. So I hope that you make this at home and you will love it as much as I loved it. And when you make this, take a photo and tag me. Please find me on Instagram at Yuna Cooks and subscribe and hit the bell button right next to it for YouTube's weekly new video. And I'll see you at your next favorite recipe.